Hey, it's Calum McAnally from Mix 103 for our final edition of Classroom of the Month of the school year. So we're here at King George School today. We're going to go inside and we're going to have a pizza party with Amber Bloom's grade 7 class. A huge thanks to Family Pizza for delivering the lunch. Kona Ice is set up outside. We're going to have some shaved ice for desserts. Wrapture Spawn Boutique is supplying a prize to the teacher, and a huge thanks to Factory Optical for helping us out as well. And of course, a huge thanks to Town and Country Plumbing, Heating, and Electrical for helping us out with Classroom of the Month. Let's go inside and hang out with the kids. I am here with Pika, who is one of our winners of Classroom of the Month. How's it going, Pika?
Good.
Good. Did you enjoy the pizza?
Absolutely, yes. It's amazing.
And what flavor of Kona Ice did you get?
Watermelon mint. I get it every time. It's so good.
Nice. And so we are, like 2-3 weeks away from summer vacation. You got any big plans?
I have a couple, but I can't name them. There's so many.
They're secret.
Yes.
Some secret summer plans.
There we go. Thank you.
I am here with Kendra. Kendra, how's it going?
Good. You?
Fantastic. So did you have fun at Classroom of the Month today?
Yes, I did.
What was your favorite part?
The pizza.
The pizza, of course. Great choice. And what kind of pizza did you get?
I got cheese.
Cheese. And you have any big summer plans just a few weeks away, hey?
Hanging out with our amazing teacher, Miss Bloom.
There you go. What a great answer. I am joined by Ty. And Ty, have you had fun today?
Yeah, I've had lots of fun today.
Nice. So we're just a couple weeks away from summer vacation. What are your plans?
Going golfing with my dad, hanging out with friends, and having fun over the summer.
Nice. And you have some interesting pets here in the classroom. Can you tell us about your snake and what is it, a gerbil?
That gerbil we got gifted from our intern, Miss Kuntz, because our other one died earlier this year. And then we have a snake, Jamal, who's a corn snake, so he's very friendly and, yeah, not venomous at all.
Very cool. And there you have it. I'm joined by Bella. And Bella, have you had fun today as Classroom of the Month?
Obviously.
Obviously. And so we're just a couple weeks away from summer vacation. What plans do you have for your summer?
Babysitting and camp with Miss Bloom because she's awesome.
That's great to hear. And do you have any favorite memories from the school year?
Yes. Honestly, I really loved when we did the twin day. There's actually a photo of it behind me. Right there. The 4 of us twinned.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I am here with Matt, who is one of our winners of Classroom of the Month. Well, Matt, how did you like your pizza?
Good. Yeah, I liked it.
Good. And you got any big plans for your summer this year?
Yeah, probably spending time with friends and going to the fair. And
Nice.
going camping, probably.
And where do you like to go camping?
Buffalo Pound.
Nice. Good choice. All right, Eddie, so tell me about your school year. How was it?
A lot of the days I just can't forget. It's been very memorable and a lot of great experiences with our fabulous teacher.
Wow, that's awesome, man. Are you looking forward to summer, or do you just wish school would last forever?
I mean, school's great, but I do want to have a lot of free time just to do almost anything.
And what do you plan on doing with your free time?
Well, I want to get a lot better at football, and I do want to be with friends more. I really haven't been doing that much throughout the school year, so I want to do a lot of things, but I mostly just want to be with other people.
There you go. Thank you, Eddie. All right, I'm here with Maddie, and Maddie, we're towards the end of the school year. How was it? How was school this year?
Well, it was a little bit boring, but Miss Bloom manages to make it fun.
A little bit boring, but still fun. That's great to hear. What was your favorite part?
Well, I'd say just hanging out with Miss Bloom, honestly. She's really fun.
Just hanging out with your teacher. What a sweet answer. And do you wish school would last forever, or are you looking forward to summer?
I absolutely love my free time, and I'm not going to be sad to not be in school anymore.
And you have any big plans for your summer vacation?
Well, I'm just going to do a bunch of beading, and, selling it online.
All right, I am joined by the teacher of this grade 7 class for Classroom of the Month, Miss Amber Bloom. Amber, I mean, what an incredible group of kids you have here.
Oh, I'm very, very lucky. And the rare thing about this group is I've had the chance to teach a couple of them when I was their grade 2 teacher and their grade 4 teacher, and now their grade 7 teacher. So I'm very, very lucky. I have an excellent group of students here this year.
Wow, Wow, so you've known some of these kids for quite a long time, which is pretty incredible. And you have a really unique classroom as well. Some fancy chairs we're sitting in. Also some pets. Tell us about the snake and the gerbil.
Well, you know what? Those are the two that have lasted the longest. I think it's good. It's really good to have animals in the classroom, life in the classroom, and help students like get a hands-on experience about being responsible for life outside themselves. Also, it's endlessly entertaining to have a snake in the classroom. We're on gerbil number 3. And we recently said goodbye to one of our geckos, and we've stopped keeping track of how many fish we have, but... Well, 2 right now, but yeah.
And I mean, I understand you've had a very big year in the classroom. You've even gotten engaged. That's exciting.
Yes, I did get engaged, which was really lovely. My fiance did some photos here, so the kids were all very familiar with him. So it was extra special. It was nice that he came in after we'd gotten engaged and asked their permission.
Oh, that's awesome. And of course, part of winning Class of the Month is you get a prize from Wrapture Spa and Boutique. So congratulations. This is I know it doesn't look like it, but it's a hot stone massage for you to use. So here you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I love Wrapture Spa, so that's perfect.
There you go.